In the main lesson, you created a progress bar in a presentation to show an audience how far along they are in the presentation. Progress bars are also useful on other projects. When filling out a form, completing a survey, or taking a quiz, it's helpful and motivating to have a progress bar so you know how far along you are in the process. In this extension, you will make your surveys, quizzes, and forms more user-friendly by showing a progress bar. With Google Forms, you can turn on a progress bar automatically. You don't have to program it yourself. The developers of the app have already done the programming work for you. To start, open a new tab in your browser and go to forms.google.com. Select a new blank form. Open the settings. Then select the Presentation tab. Select the option to show a progress bar and save the changes. Then add a new section. Continue adding sections until you have at least 5. It's okay to leave the questions blank. Preview how your progress bar will look to respondents. Great job! Your form now has a progress bar that clearly indicates how many pages of questions are finished and how many are still left to complete. Have fun putting progress bars to work in your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Now, it's your turn. Open Google Forms and create a new form. Open the settings and select the Presentation tab. Choose to show a progress bar. Add at least 5 sections to your survey and preview your progress bar.